Hi guys, welcome to another video. So today we have had a few things sent from Born Pretty to take a look at, and I've not even opened this one because I can't actually remember what I've got coming, so I thought it would be a nice surprise if I open it with you guys on camera. So let's have a look what they sent, shall we? So we have got, oh, I do remember what this is. So this is their new metallic painting gel, so it's like the silver chrome, but it cures super shiny. You don't need to top coat over it. It looks like a really nice silver chrome. I'm really liking Born Pretty's new packaging. It looks really professional, doesn't it? So this, if I remember rightly, is their solid extension gel, and it's a shimmery one. Yes, let's have a little look at this, shall we? I am going to be swatching everything today anyway, so we'll have a proper look at it then. I just want to have a quick look. Oh, look at that. It's so sparkly. Can't wait to try that. I haven't got any shimmery solid extension gels, so I'm well happy about that. And then in here, we have got 3 gels. I'm trying to think what this one is, but I can't remember. Let's get them open and have a look. Right, so we've got one gel polish out of their Silky White series, colour CG093. Look how bright that is looking. Looks like it's a really pretty neon yellow. Then this one is a Super Shine Cat Magnetic Gel, colour 56340. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, I know what this is now. Yeah, so this is like a spa cat eye. And then this is a Jelly Gel JN24. And you apply that over the cat eye, or you can apply it underneath the cat eye, whichever you want. I'm well excited to try these and this. Actually, all of them. I'm really excited to try all of them. So, should we get them swatched? Take a little look at them. I think I'm going to start off by swatching the gel polishes first. So this is CG093. Ooh, that's nice. Look how bright that is. It's really creamy as well. Like, some neons can be a little bit sheer and jellified. This is totally creamy. Look at that. One coat as well. Wow. Beautiful. Right, let's try this Super Shine Cat Magnetic Gel. So this is a silver cat eye. It actually looks really nice on its own over a clear. Just gives it a really nice subtle shimmer. I like it. Cool. Again, a really nice subtle shimmer, and then when you wipe the magnet over it, it really intensifies. You see? Super sparkly. I like to do the kind of swirly design like this. Like that. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Now we're going to try this jelly gel over the top of it. So the colour of this is JN24. I can't actually remember what colour this was. So we'll try it over the clear first. Oh, I do remember this now. You know what I know the reason I picked this colour was I was thinking of Under the Sea nails. Gonna be perfect for that. Oh, it's a beautiful colour. I really like that. So that's after one coat. Even just after one coat, what a pretty colour. And you can just keep building that colour up as well. We'll see what it's like after 2 coats. That is going to be perfect for undersea nails. Perfect. Just what I'm looking for. Let's see what it looks like over the black, shall we? Oh, I like it. So you can put any colour jelly gel over this and you're going to get a different colour cat eye effect. I really like that. Oh, that's really, really pretty. I'm really liking that colour. Look at that. It's not actually looking as turquoisey on camera than what it is to the eye. It still looks quite silver there, doesn't it? But oh, you can see there, look, that's the kind of colour that I'm seeing. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. I like it. We'll see what that looks like after 2 coats as well. And that is what it looks like after 2 coats. Beautiful colour that is. Really, really pretty colour. I like it. So that is what CG093 looks like with a shiny top coat and a matte top coat. Really pretty. Super bright yellow. And I cannot believe how creamy that was as well. I've already got an idea in mind for that, so I'm definitely going to do something with that this week. And then that is what these cat eyes look like with colour JN24 Jelly Gel over the top. That's after 3 coats, and that's what they look like, matte and shiny. I really like them matte. Well smart. Definitely need to start doing more with these cat eyes because they are proper smart, aren't they? I love how at one angle the cat eye disappears and then you flip it that way and it's back. So sparkly. Yeah, I like them. Really like them together. Great combination. And what I like about this jelly gel is you kind of get 2 products in one. You get a jelly gel, so you use it as a jelly gel. But you can also apply it over cat eyes. You can apply it over silver chrome to get a metallic effect. You can use it for a few different things. I really like that about it. Beautiful colour as well. So that's the gel polishes all swatched. Now we're going to take a look at this metal painting gel. Can't wait to try this. You get 5 ml in this pot. That's what it looks like inside the pot. It did have the foil silver protective lid on it, but I've took that off. Look at that. It just looks like liquid chrome. Look how shiny it is. Beautiful. Let's give that a swatch, shall we? So I'm using my Born Pretty gel brush. Oh, wow. Look at that. Super shiny. Look at that. It's so shiny. Wow. Love that. Give that a cure. As I was saying about this jelly gel, you can apply this. Let me just show you over half of it. You can apply this over the chrome. So I've given that 2 coats and look what happens, you end up with a turquoisey blue metallic. How smart is that? Look. How smart does that look? So yeah, that jelly gel is so versatile. I really like that. Really like that. And then also this metal painting gel, you can also use it for nail art as well. So for instance, I'm going to do 2 dots. And we've painted some stars like that. So not only can you use it as a full cover colour, but you can also use it for nail art as well. And what I really like about it is you don't have to top coat over it either. So ultra fine detail like these lines on these stars, you've not got to go over with a top coat. Now lastly, we're on to the non-stick extension nail gel, colour NSG15. This looks nice. Oh wow. That is beautiful. It's got loads of super fine holographic glitter in it. It's just looking like silver glitter on camera, isn't it? But it's not, it's actually holographic glitter. It's really nice and opaque. It's a really nice colour. That is like my perfect nail bed colour. So I'm going to give that a cure. And then that is all the swatches. I'm absolutely buzzing with every single one of these products. Definitely want to use this on my nails. Next, I love this bright neon yellow. I've not got a neon yellow. I've got a neon green, which is in between a neon yellow and a neon green, but I haven't got a proper full-on neon yellow, so I'm really happy with that. And I love this cat eye with that jelly gel over the top. And the metal painting gel, beautiful. Yeah, I'm happy with every single one of those. Everything that I've showed you today, I shall leave the links for, guys, in my description box. If there's anything that you've seen, all you got to do is click the link and that will take you straight to the product. Nice and easy. If you do place an order, don't forget you can save yourself 10% off as well using my discount code, which is GG10. So don't forget to pop that in at checkout to save yourself 10% off. So that's everything, guys. That is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.